Good morning. We'll begin this morning's assembly with a performance by the Head of School Singers.
Sand in the hourglass, look up, wonder how it flies by so fast. Seeing all the things we've missed, we get them back on nights like this. Your smile, that dress, leaving me speechless. When you walk in like that, even time won't pass. But the moment to hold you right where you're at, and my heart stops right in its tracks. When you walk in like that,
The hands of time, frozen just like me, caught in your eyes like I'll always be. Girl, it feels good right now, with everything slowing down. Can't catch my breath, you take it every time you walk in like that. Even time won't pass. Up a moment to hold you right where you're at, and my heart stops right in its tracks when you walk in like that. Whoa, I understand you taking it and taking it all in. God, I know I'm hoping and I'm praying it won't ever end. When you walk in like that, even time won't pass. Up a moment to hold you right where you're at, and my world stops right in its tracks when you walk in. Oh, when you walk in
like
when you walk
like that.
It's awesome. So well done. Thank you, guys. Now we'll have an announcement for the spaghetti supper.
That was amazing, gentlemen. Thank you. Good morning. Here we are. It is homecoming week, and Mrs. Riven and I are so happy to share this week with you. It has been such an honor spending time on campus this past few weeks, and we very much appreciate your kindness and your enthusiasm as we've been trekking back and forth across campus and doing all the things we've been doing. So thank you so much. We appreciate you, and we've just loved every single minute of it. Before we get started with the joys and the fun of Second Harvest prizes and one last raffle, I do have a few announcements. So these are important, so just listen up. First things first, we have the ticket exchange happening again this week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday during lunch. This is your last week to be turning in tickets. This is the important part. At 1:30 on Thursday, all the tickets need to be in, and we will close online ticket purchasing. So at 1:30 on Thursday, everything needs to be in so we can get it counted and prepare for the pep rally prizes on Friday. And in case you're wondering, I do have the top 10 list right now. It is alphabetical, but I'm going to let you know who those top 10 boys are for selling. Jake Ayers, Stock Bottorff, Dom Cotton, McNary Head, Eli Kramer, Knox McCrary, Wells Rick, Cole Tomachek, Hibbs Trailer, and Harley Tyler. Thank you, gentlemen, for your hard work and best wishes this week as we finish up sales. Okay, next up, this is going to be a little bit different from last year. This year we are going to have order pickup instead of your orders being sent to your advisory. So what this looks like is on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of this week, during your break and during lunch, we will have volunteers outside the Davis building. You'll walk up to your table, which will be by grade, and give them your name and we will give you your order. This is important, especially for boys who have ordered online bake sale cards. You're going to want to pick up on Tuesday because bake sale opens on Wednesday, okay? So if you are, again, if you've got bake sale tickets, you've gotten them online, that's something you want to go ahead and grab on Tuesday. That's going to make your Wednesday morning a lot more fun when you hit the bake sale and you've got your card in hand. And then last of my announcements this morning is bake sale is coming. So on Wednesday and Thursday of this week during break, the bake sale volunteers, I think we have about 60 ladies that are going to be volunteering over the course of 2 days, just filling the field house with great surprises and super nutritious snacks for all of you. I do know I've been seeing some pictures. I know Mrs. Wiley Franks is out there. She's been baking all weekend, preparing things. I know that Miss Chastity Phillips has been putting together her drinks and candy boxes and things that she does. So guys, it's going to be amazing, and we are just so looking forward to sharing this with you. It's always a lot of fun. And next up, we've got Miss Riven, and we'll start with our second harvest.
Hello. First, I really just want to echo what Mrs. Shirley said. It has truly just been such a pleasure to be here. And I just want to congratulate all of you for your participation. It's been amazing. As far as Second Harvest, you guys knocked it out of the park. We had 80% participation on this campus, which is amazing. And I feel like you guys should really give yourselves a round of applause for that. So with that participation, online donations are still open, but to date, you all have contributed 102,713 meals. That is amazing, so thank you for that. Here are the winners. The high school advisory's first to 100% participation. You will be contacted soon about a Chick-fil-A breakfast. I'm just going to read your last names, and I apologize ahead of time if I'm butchering any of them, which I likely will. Hackney, Markham, Thompson, Watkins, Zhang. For junior school advisories, first to 100% participation, you will also receive a Chick-fil-A breakfast, Wims, and McMurray. So way to go. That's really exciting. Okay, so most meals overall and your prizes. For 7th grade, for Apple AirPods Pro, with 2,040 meals, Evan Hopke. 8th grade, for a $250 Amazon gift card, Locke Ross, with 2,014 meals. 9th grade, for a $250 BSN Sports gift card With 4,124 meals, Jay Ayers. 10th grade for a $200 Topgolf gift card with 2,000 meals, Hugh Price. 11th grade, $200 to Sam's Place, 10,004 meals, Keller Parker. And then 12th grade, also $200 to Sperry's Restaurant with 1,009 meals, Alexander Averbush. For peanut butter, overall, we had 2,343 pounds of peanut butter donated. The junior school winner with 51.75 pounds for $100 to Moe's is Locke Ross. And then our high school winner for a fire pit with 49.75 pounds is Clayton Lindley. So, way to go. This is amazing. Now we're on to our raffle for most tickets sold at this point in time. Oh, first we're doing 7th through 12th grade, sorry. For $100 to Fleet Feet, Landon Farley. For $150 to Moe's, Knox McCrary. For $50 to Sam's Place, Charlie Kitchen. For $50 to Sperry's, Eli Kramer. And this is for a JBL speaker, $100 value, Greer Watson. Before we announce the senior-only raffle prize winners, we also have Smoothie King gift cards for a free smoothie to winning advisories. So these 4 advisories have sold the most tickets to date. They are as follows. With sales of 549 tickets, Nelson Berry's advisory. With sales of 284 tickets, Dan Cooper's advisory. With 275 tickets, Thomas Wims' advisory. And with 204 tickets, Tom Cirillo's advisory. So good job. All right. For our highest participating seniors at this moment, the first prize is $225 to Moe's. Thank you. I really hope I'm going to say this correctly. Whit Uden. Is that right? And the last prize for today is $650 to J. Michaels Clothers and Haymakers and Company. Again, I know I'm going to say this incorrectly. Morgan Halzapfel. Thank you so much. Good job, everybody.
Real quick, gentlemen, if you won a prize this morning, if you were part of the raffle, if you'll see me after advisory, and if you were part of the Second Harvest prizes, if you'll see Mrs. Ribbon, that would be great. Thank you so much, and we will look forward to seeing you at the pep rally on Friday.
Each year, the College Board recognizes seniors nationwide based on their performance on the PSAT during the junior year. We've been fortunate to have a number of students recognized this year, first as National Merit semifinalists and also commended students. And if you would please stand as I call your name. For National Merit semifinalist, Dennis Bodorf, Thomas Dennis, Will Hardy, Luke Keller, Jack Lockamy, Connor Looney, Cy Turner, and Whit Uden. Remain standing for me, guys. For National Merit commended, if you would please stand, Emmett Adams, William Barnard, Ethan Biddles, Elliot Bragg, William Dean, Todd Dong, Sanjeeth Givargis, Martin Greer, Gardner Hopper, Michael Kong, Austin Kunath, Jack Rogers, Jack Teasley, Nathan Williams, and Hama Yassin. There are also two national recognitions from the College Board. The first to Aiden Becker, the National Hispanic Recognition Award, and E.B. Henry Okafor for the National African American Recognition Award. Congratulations to you both. We now have an announcement from Will Glover.
I'm here to make an announcement on behalf of the Ambiation Club. This Sunday, we're holding our Mid-Autumn Festival banquet, so that's going to have a lot of East Asian food and drink, and it'll be a lot of fun, so make sure to show up. Admittance is $8, and the dinner is at 6, so if you can, please come. It's welcome to anyone who brings admittance, and I hope I'll see you there. Thank you. Oh, email me or Ms. Jong if you have any questions. Thank you.
The mock trial team headed up to Chicago for a competition this past weekend at the Windy City Challenge, and here's a write-up about their time there. After our remarkable 22-23 season, the NBA mock trial team was looking for new faces to step up and fill the massive shoes left by last year's senior class. We sent 13 students to Chicago to compete against top caliber teams from across North America. After 4 rounds of competition, the Big Red were undefeated 4-0 with an 11-1 ballot record to put them in first place overall. We then competed as the plaintiff against Centennial High School from Bakersfield, California, defeating them 13-2 with a +19 average margin of victory. The following students competed under the leadership of Vichy Parikh and George Ma, seniors Charlie McIntyre and Frank Pierce, juniors Jack Gannon, George Ma, Kavnir Majal, Kenny Royer, and Hayden Tan, sophomores James Hood, Russell Howard, Jazz Oberoy, and Jack Rogers, and also 8th grader Will Guo. Congratulations to you all. If you are interested in learning more about joining the mock trial team, informational meetings will take place in November prior to the start of the regular season. It's also worth noting that the team assisted another team from Memphis in its first ever competition of this sort as they were looking for guidance. The selflessness that you all showed throughout that time to show them how to approach the style of competition, and the procedures will surely be remembered by them throughout the rest of their competition. So thank you so much for your selflessness in those ways. This is a week of much celebration for us of Spirit Week, ending with homecoming on Friday night and the dance on Saturday. It's an exciting time to be here. I was fortunate to visit campus last year at this time and remember it very well as one of much camaraderie and enthusiasm. It's a time, too, as we are celebrating this community and all that we do, that I'd like to remind us of the mission as we were discussing at the beginning of the year, and one specifically to gentlemanly conduct. It's a time as we celebrate to pause and remember that we should seek every opportunity to lift each other up, to brighten each other's day, to help each other be our best selves. And there are subtle ways that we can do that, and there are important things that we need to consider. I'm thinking right now to Saturday as part of it, as you all are thinking of a dance, of dates. Right? What does it mean to host, to have somebody come to the dance, to invite a date? And how do you approach her with dignity, with respect? How do we have our guests from another team, another school here on campus on Friday, many members of the community here on Friday night during spaghetti supper? Think now of the ways that we are kind and generous, selfless to them. It's a wonderful display of the community. And in all that we do, remember that the things that we say matter. The words that come out of our mouths matter. And that our actions matter. We know things that we can say that build each other up, and things that we can say that cut each other down. I don't think it requires a lot of explanation. Choose, again, kindness. Choose the hard right over the easy wrong in all that you do and all that you say. And if you carry yourself in that way, then we can walk with pride as a community throughout this week, celebrating who we are, which is an incredible, incredible community of nearly 850 young men who are all here not only to do really well academically, but also to make each other better and to contribute to the community beyond the school in ways that will last and make a meaningful impact. Hope you have a great week.